just honest travel. Welcome to the Honest Travel Guide.
Welcome by the Honest Travel Guide. Today we are going to tell you everything about visiting the Victoria waterfalls. For us it was our honeymoon trip. And well, we want to tell you some things if you're going there, things you probably already know, but maybe also some things you don't know yet. But we are going to give you those information so that you're well prepared and maybe see something probably not everybody will see over there.
Maybe.
All right, let's start with the first thing. When you are entering Zimbabwe or Zambia, there is a special possibility.
Yeah, you can purchase a visa. It is a CASA visa for 50 euros, and then you can enter the country unlimited. And you have also a possibility to enter the country of Botswana. So we bought that visa on arrival. We got a stamp in our passport. We needed to pay it cash. And then it was very easy to cross the border for Zambia and for Botswana because we visited all the three countries.
Yeah, and what is especially interesting is when we were trying to purchase that visa that by default you won't get it, and I also noticed that I think most of the tourists never bought that thing.
Only a single entry.
Yeah, we were also directed to a special guy to provide this visa, but we wanted to have the flexibility to visit both sides because, well, we will show you in this video. Trust me, there's a big difference when visiting the waterfalls in Zimbabwe.
Or
Zambia.
Or Zambia.
Yeah, there's definitely a difference, but today we will going to show you, and that's our big suggestion. Make sure you buy that visa.
Yeah, and bring your own rain clothings.
Yes.
You will be very wet if you are in the right season, because we were in the season with the full falls, so there was a lot of water. So it was a heavy shower all the time.
Yeah, and I was under the impression when you're going there, we started on the Zimbabwean side, then you will see some specific places. You think, well, I don't know why I should wear rain clothes, but then all of a sudden, well, you wish you have it on it because then it's already too late.
Yeah, just a poncho is not enough. And also wear shoes that can be wet because you will be soaked.
You will be.
Yeah.
By the way, I had a poncho. We will show you in this video. Let us first show you the site we visited first, and that's also our other suggestion. We started on a different way.
Did we?
To view the falls.
Oh, yeah. We started with to see it from the air with a helicopter tour. And that was really nice.
That was really nice. We will show you it right now. right, well, that was our helicopter tour. That's, like we already said, that was our first time visiting the falls from close. We already saw it on the plane, by the way, when we were
from the window.
When we were landing. I said to Monique, well, there's something
Mist.
with smoke.
Mist or
then I
smoke.
thought it was a very strange kind of smoke. He said, no, that's no smoke, that's the falls. Okay, so yeah, that was interesting. But yeah, like we already said, we also want to show you the Zimbabwe side and
Zambia.
No, first Zimbabwe side. They didn't see it yet.
Oh, okay.
There we go. Wat is er? Nat?
Zeker.
Ja, heel. Uh-oh, komt hij weer. Holy shit. Jezus. Een buitje. Right, well, welcome back. Like you probably saw, the poncho I was wearing was not enough. But what I did, I had my
Backpack?
my backpack, and I had some dry clothes in it. But yeah.
And be careful, also your passport will be wet.
Will be soaked, yeah.
So store it
Yeah.
safe.
But like we already told you, there's a big difference between the Zimbabwean side and the Zambia side. You can walk it. When you don't have the visa, there's a possibility to walk to the bridge, but then you're not allowed into Zambia or Zimbabwe, depending on which side, of course, you are staying in. And to be honest, yeah, the bridge is nice, but
A lot of sellers.
a lot of sellers.
Yeah.
But yeah, not spectacular.
No.
No. So that's why we really recommend to visit both sides. You can walk.
Or you can go by taxi.
Yeah, or you can go by taxi. It is a bit expensive. The first time we walked.
Yeah.
And then you walk first to cross the border. That took us 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It was really, really fast.
Yeah, for the border.
But
not for the bridge.
No. Then you have to walk over the bridge. I think it is 15, 20 minutes
20
walk.
minutes, but it's hot.
Yeah.
And you get wet again. So when you're dried up again, you walk over the bridge and you will be soaked again.
Yeah, because of the wind probably, and it's still close to the waterfall. But then, well, you're in no man's land when you're walking between those sides. It is about 10, 15 minutes walk, I can't remember. And then we were entering Zambia, and that also took us less than a minute, I guess.
Yeah, it was very quick.
Yeah.
And then it was a walk for maybe
2 minutes, 3 minutes.
3 minutes for the entrance of the falls.
Yeah.
We get a ticket over there. I think it was even a little bit cheaper than the
in Zambia it was cheaper.
Side.
Yeah.
There are a lot of monkeys, and they are a little bit aggressive. So you need to pay attention for that, because they are going to steal your backpack or your food or your drink or your bottle or whatever you have in your hands.
Yeah. What they're always advising is not take your bottle, because they know a bottle is water, and also they know if you have a bag, a plastic bag, there's probably food in it. So they recommend don't use any bags
Plastic
close to
bags.
them. No, do it in your suitcase, and then you should be safe. Well, in our case, we were safe, but there were indeed monkeys stealing bags.
Yep.
Yeah, so that's good to know. But yeah, like I said, there's a difference between the Zambia side and the Zimbabwe side. So we will show you the Zambia side right now.
White land end of Zimbabwe, no country.
Zambia.
Zimbabwe.
Nou, daar gaan we dan. Idioterie. Zeiknat worden door een brug over te steken. Wie verzint dit? Alright, welcome back. So yeah, like I said, this was our honeymoon trip. Well, we really enjoyed it.
A part of the honeymoon trip.
A part of the honeymoon trip, yeah. And I think you should really visit both sides. It's, well, like you already see, it's really different. I think the Zambia side is even more spectacular. You're closer when it is a full
yeah, we were there
waterfall.
in April.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up, and like, and hopefully also subscribe to see more videos and reviews like this. Thank you so much. Hopefully see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.